Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Baljit. In this video, we are going to test out electric callus remover made by Wiseplus. Really great product. We will open box and test out, see if this product stands on the name. I heard really great things about this product. It's waterproof. You can use in a shower to remove callus from your feet. It have a big display and built-in rechargeable battery. Now let's open, see what is inside, and then we will talk about rest. We got instruction manual, cleaning brush, USB-C rechargeable cable, callus remover by itself, built-in battery. I got 3 rollers, one already installed, 2 here. That's everything came out of the box. We have instruction manual, brush to clean machine, to charge USB-C and USB 2.0, and other side, 3 brush. We have a fine, regular, and coarse. Before we test out, let's talk a little bit more about this machine. You really need to know. As I mentioned earlier, it's built-in rechargeable battery. So before you use, charge 100%. If you see here on the top, it's on off button. Also speed adjust. I have a 3 speed already. You can adjust to any speed, slow, regular, and fast. It comes with the pre-installed fine roller. There is 2 more roller with the regular and the coarse. You can use any according to your condition. Replacing roller is really easy. That's another thing I really like about it. You press button from here and you can take the roller out. When you're going to install roller, you need to make sure those gears in certain way. Otherwise, they will not go in. Here, you press again, and that's it. Your roller been installed. You press once, turns on. Press second time, speed change, and third time, it go faster. And also, you can see really bright LED light, really bright and dark. Now, let's test on my feet and see how this machine does. Here my feet look like. I'm going to use a regular roller. I walk too much with the barefoot, so my feet are like that. Hopefully it will fix my feet. Now let's test. You can use dry feet, you can use wet. This machine is also waterproof. You can use in a shower. Now let's start. Slow speed. Medium. Okay, it's time consuming. I'm gonna take care of my feet, then I will come back with the result. I have a big callus. I removed a lot. It's really smooth right now. I don't wanna do too much to the skin, so I was already start feeling. I believe I have to do a couple times. I wish I could done before and fix my feet. Now you can see the result for this side. Let me move to the other side and show you the other side feet. It took me almost 20 minutes. And battery is 89 right now. It's just used 11% battery. Successfully, we have tested our electric callus remover made by Wiseplus. It worked really great and have a lot of power. I did not see anything wrong with this product, and my heels are really smooth right now. You guys can also leave some ideas or comment in comment box if you guys have any question or anything. I will also leave a link in description. If you want to buy, it will give you a little bit of discount from the link. So far, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video with a new topic.